The table of contents feature in a Word makes it easier for users to navigate around your document to the section that they're interested in, as opposed to scrolling through the whole document. Let's jump into a few examples to make this easier to understand. Here we have a simple document with different sections. Each section title has been underlined. First off, let's add a blank page so we can add in our table of contents. So we're going to go to Insert, Blank Page, and there we go, we've got our blank page. And now to add in the table of contents, we go to References, Table of Contents, and we're going to select the first one. And right now it's telling us that we don't have any section headers, which is fine. To fix this, we're going to need to select the section header, and we go to Home, and then we're going to select this heading style, Heading 1. And for the subsection, we're going to select Heading 2, and for the section under that subsection, we're going to select Heading 3. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click on the table of contents, Update Table, and there you go. It's currently picking up all the different section headers. And if you'd like to navigate to them, press Ctrl and click, and it navigates you to that section. So right now, this table of contents will only allow 3 levels of sections. To increase this, we can click on the table of contents and then go to References and Table of Contents, and then select Custom Table of Contents. We increase the level to however many headings we want to add. So right now we've added an additional 2. Click on OK. Replace this table of contents, yes. So let's add a 4th tier subsection and a 5th one as well. And we're going to format these accordingly. Since it's a 4th level, we're going to select Heading 4. And this one is the 5th level, so we're going to select Heading 5. We're going to scroll up, click on the table of contents, Update Table, update the entire table, and click on OK. And there you go. We've added more levels. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.